Today we're going to take a deeper look into Hedera Hashgraph and its price. So right now it's sitting at about 9 cents after going from 3 cents just last month to almost tripling in price. And if it's your first time hearing about Hedera Hashgraph, I've made a couple of other videos before. I'll leave them on the screen right now. Feel free to watch them as well. Basically, they're like a blockchain, but much faster, cheaper, and more secure. And you can apply it to much more industries, and it's more scalable. So real quick, everyone, before you keep watching, make sure you smash that like button and let's try to get 50 likes on this video. I would very much appreciate it, so more and more people can see this, so the algorithm knows that this video is important. And if you're invested in HBAR as well, leave a comment down below and let me know if you think that right now it's overvalued, or are you waiting for it to go down to buy some, or do you think it's just going to keep going up? And again, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos as well, and let's keep going. So Hedera Hashgraph, like we said, has gone up from 3 cents to about 9 cents in the past month. And as you can tell, the volume has picked up a lot. So in January, twice actually, in January 8th and the 20th, we saw basically two huge spikes in volume that pushed it higher and higher. So the first spike, we can tell that it kind of went back down, and then it stabilized and went back up. And now we're kind of seeing it coming down a little bit. Is it going to stabilize and go back up, or is it going to come down to 6-7 cents? Because if you look at it from the 1 year chart, you can kind of tell that in February there was a huge spike in volume as well that kind of pushed it up, but it couldn't really hold it. So it went up to about 6-7 cents and then went down to 3-5 cents, and it kind of was stuck in a range, even dipped down to about 2.90 for a bit. So it's going to be interesting. Is it going to just keep going up, or will it come down to 6-7 cents? If it does come down to 7 cents, I am going to be a huge buyer, and I opened up a small position in HBAR. I wish I had bought more just now seeing the spike, but it was just a couple $100. So if it goes down to 6-7 cents, I will definitely be a buyer of this. Keep adding on. Right now, I'm just kind of waiting to see what's going to happen with the price. If it stabilizes, I might buy more just before the next run up, but if it starts going down, I might just let it do its thing, because in the past you can tell that once the volume hit, it just kind of went back down. But a lot of people are saying that 2021 is different, that the bull market is here, and that people are just getting on, and that trust in the government system and the fiat system and all that is going down, so more and more people will go into crypto. So is this time going to be different? I'm not sure, but I'm just going to keep an eye out for this. I'm very interested in it, but either way, in the long term, I believe that this can easily go to 50 cents by the end of the year, because as you can tell on Coinbase, it went public at around 42 cents, and that was back in October 2019, September 2019, when they didn't have as much as they do now. So right now they're partnered up with companies like Google. They're on their governing board, IBM and Zane Telecommunications, so many different worldwide companies that are already using this technology. So Hedera Hashgraph right now is sitting at about $650 million in terms of market cap, and it's went up a lot in the past month, yes, but if you think about it, this can be a multi-billion-dollar company very easily. So that's why with Hedera Hashgraph, 50 cents by the end of the year is very conservative, I believe. But my analysis on buying at 6-7 cents is just for the short term. So I hope it goes down to 6-7 cents for like a week or two and just stabilizes around there and then goes up again, just so I can get a better buying opportunity. It's not to hate on HBAR. I actually really like this technology. And how are they going to get to 50 cents? Well, let's look at their roadmap. On their website, they have basically what they did in Q3 and Q4 of 2020, and now in 2021 they launched their new token service, and after that they're going to work on their stablecoin and their Quorum plugin, which basically it works on their consensus service to execute global transaction without double spending. So a lot of you saw the news headlines about Bitcoin and why it went down in the past couple weeks, because there have been a lot of news about double spending or whatnot, and it was all bogus from what it sounds like. But anyways, Hedera is also working on that problem, network automation phase 3. They're working on a token bridge between Ethereum public networks and their smart contract nodes. They have so many different things coming up, scheduled transactions. So I'll leave this in the link down below. Feel free to check it out if you're interested in it. And next thing I want to say is that their proxy staking service is coming soon. So you'll be able to actually stake your HBARs in a platform that they create for us and just earn HBARs for free. Hopefully the gas fees are not that expensive, because as we know, Ethereum is very expensive, so maybe this is different and better. So I'm really looking forward to this, to also earn on my HBARs as well while I'm sleeping, while I'm hanging out. And it just shows your commitment to the system and that you actually believe in the technology, and that's why you should do it. If you don't, do not stake your HBARs at all. You know, keep it in a wallet where you can exchange it if you want to sell for a profit, whatever. If you don't believe in it long term, that's what you should be doing. But if you actually believe in this technology, you need to stake your tokens, especially if they make it to where the gas fees are not bad. Thank you all for watching up until this point. What are your opinions on Hedera? Do you like HBAR? What price are you trying to buy it at? Let me know in the comment section below, and make sure you leave a like button too, so more and more people can see HBAR and we can actually get people to invest in this exciting new technology. And also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I appreciate you all for watching up until this point, and Mr. Mufleh out.